Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 10 must-have cleaning gadgets that will completely transform your cleaning routine. Whether you're tired of scrubbing, fighting stubborn messes, or just want a faster and more efficient way to clean, these game-changing tools will make your life so much easier. Many of them are available at great prices, so check the links below. Let's jump in. Cleaning stuck-on food is a nightmare, but these durable nylon and silicone scrapers make it effortless. Use them on cast iron skillets, dishes, cookware, and even countertops. They're heat-resistant and non-stick friendly, so you can scrape without damage. Ever notice a bad smell coming from your garbage disposal? This sturdy 11-inch brush reaches deep inside to scrub away trapped food, grease, and grime. It's a simple but super effective tool to keep your sink fresh and clean. This powerful sponge works like magic. It lifts away soap scum, grease, and stubborn grime from your sink, stove, and even your fridge. Plus, it has dawn cleaning power and a fresh lavender scent. No harsh chemicals needed. Scrubbing dishes just got easier. This handy palm brush dispenses soap with the push of a button while scrubbing away stuck-on food. The ergonomic grip makes it super comfortable to use, and it comes with a storage base to keep your sink tidy. Microwave covered in food splatters? Just fill Angry Mama with vinegar and water, heat for a few minutes, and watch as steam softens grime. Wipe it clean in seconds. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals. Struggling to clean water bottles, travel mugs, or vases? This long-handle silicone brush reaches deep inside, while the tiny lid brush gets into small gaps for a thorough clean. A must-have for reusable bottle users. Tired of crumbs falling between your stove and counter? These silicone gap covers are heat-resistant and fit perfectly to seal the space. They're easy to clean, preventing spills and messes from getting trapped. No more hard-to-reach gaps to clean. This stainless steel soap bar gets rid of garlic, onion, and fish smells from your hands. No soap needed. Just rub it under water, and odors vanish instantly. It even comes with a handy base tray to keep it neat on your counter. Traditional sponges trap bacteria and odors, but these mesh dish scrubbers dry quickly and last longer. They're tough on food residue but gentle on dishes, making them a perfect everyday cleaning tool. Keep food scraps from clogging your sink. This hanging strainer basket catches food waste while doubling as a mini colander for washing fruits and veggies. A simple yet super practical kitchen essential. And that's it for today's video. These genius kitchen cleaning gadgets can totally transform the way you clean, saving you time and effort while keeping your home spotless. Which one do you think is the most useful? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome finds, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cleaning!